Oh my God! It's Canadian Enforcer! He's the man. He's the myth. He's the legend. Wrestlers come and go, but legends live on. Enforcer looks determined, psychopathic. His opponent's not gonna know what hit him. So stand up and shout. The Canadian Enforcer.
I know what you want and what you're thinking.